And there is a lot of misinformation when it comes to fighting off COVID-19. We've been asking your questions and taking them to medical professionals. Tonight, KELOLAND's Angela Kennecke gets some answers from Sanford Health Medical Officer Dr. Mike Wilde.
Ultraviolet light is already used in hospitals for sterilization. Now a viewer wants to know if UV light wands sold online can kill the virus.
There's no evidence to prove that that works. I'm not aware of evidence where this sort of wand has been tested against this exact virus. Therefore, don't know if it is effective. Theoretically could be.
A lot of our viewers are worried about their loved ones and friends who work in hospitals and whether they will be adequately protected from catching the virus.
We as an organization, Avera as an organization, we all have supplies on hand. The influenza this year was not as severe in terms of it was prevalent, but it didn't cause a lot of hospitalizations, which has allowed us to have quite a bit of PPE on hand.
PPE stands for personal protective equipment like goggles, masks, gloves, and gowns. But it's not just any kind of mask that is proven to protect medical professionals from the virus. The ones that work are called N95 or paper helmets. However, many people have stepped up to make masks in order to provide for those who are running short.
There is some evidence, or at least reports out of China, that a simple surgical mask is quite effective. And we just don't know yet, but out of an abundance of caution, we're using or prioritizing the N95s or the PAPRs.
Another viewer heard that drinking water can help flush the virus out of the throat and stop it from entering the lungs.
The quick answer is no. The virus internalizes into cells, and you're not going to get rid of those cells, and you're not going to get rid of the virus by drinking water.
Washing your hands, avoiding touching your face, and complying with social distancing remains the only way to ward off COVID-19.
Dr. Wilde and Avera's Chief Nursing Officer will answer even more questions on this week's edition of Inside KELOLAND, which airs Sunday after the 10 o'clock news. South Dakota's Labor Secretary also talks about the best way to file for unemployment.